A pre-owned 2018 Kia Forte LX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Kia has less than 141,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.